Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I want to be talking about some resources to help you with YouTube videos. YouTube is one of the largest video online sharing platform, as you know, probably know, but a lot of people are not using it to promote their products and their services, so they're really missing out. So if you're thinking about promoting your products and service and you're not sure how to go about it, you want as many tools as you can get to help you along the way. So what I'm doing is I'm offering a free YouTube guide, an SEO cheat sheet. It doesn't cost you anything. You can download it immediately. It has 18 hacks that the pro marketers use. And one of the things that I've noticed when I'm looking for resources for YouTube is they don't tell you everything. And with this, it's going to give you some really important pieces of information to help you get started. Okay, so this is just a few of the things that are inside this ebook like I said, or this cheat sheet that you can download immediately. It's a proven formula for writing video titles that get clicks, and that's one of the key things. That and your thumbnail are two highly important aspects of your video and getting people to click on it. 3 tags your video must have to maximize your potential for traffic. The single biggest factor that impacts video rankings and how to nail it by opening a loop at the start of each video. 7 simple tricks for generating natural inbound links. And 3 psychological video triggers. Okay, so this is just some of it. Okay, let's just give you a little taste. Again, it's free. I'll put the link down in the description of this video. You can go ahead and sign up for it and get it for free. And I hope it helps. I know I'm going to do it myself and see how good it is. So thanks for watching. Again, the link is down in the description of this video. And good luck.